Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to show you guys our experience flying in a helicopter over the beautiful big island of Hawaii. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. So here we are trying to find the exact location where the helicopters depart.
We're about to get in an airport.
Oh my god. Take two.
We're about to get in an airport.
Oh man. Take three.
We're about to get in a helicopter.
That was funny. I don't know what was up with me, man, but I finally got it right. Helicopter. So here we are, taking off. I'm not gonna lie, I did feel the jitters. I'm like, oh God, I can't believe I'm doing this, but here we go. So exciting. Look at all that Greenland, all that beautiful trees and Hawaii. So here we go. We're on top of the ocean. And you can see the waterfall over there. Very beautiful. I'm not sure if that's Peeps waterfall. I'm really not sure, but I think that's what it was. But just look at that beautiful view. So it started raining a little bit, but it was all good. We still got to see the beautiful Hawaii. So as you can see, all that white stuff in the ocean, that was all like debris from like the homes and everything that burned from the lava, from the unfortunate eruption that happened in the Big Island. All that black stuff, that's all the lava from the volcano eruption. You can see a little house that somehow survived down there. Wow. There was also a river that got taken over by the lava. But as you can see, it did add a little bit more land to Hawaii. So, bad and good. More bad than good though. Look at all that debris, everything in the ocean. It's unbelievable. Wow, that's amazing how Mother Nature works. And just enjoy the ride on top of the beautiful ocean of Hawaii. the beautiful rainbow. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I can't believe it. All that movement in the water. You would think it's like whales or something, but no. All debris. And to let you guys know, all that lava, the black stuff that we're flying on top of, it's like still like live lava, like it's still burning. So if the helicopter was to go down, we would all burn and melt. All that is heated. Like nobody can pass through there, nobody has access. There's no way to get through there because it's still like heated lava, so dangerous. So all them people in the back were hating because we were in the front and they were in the back, and we got the most beautiful, perfect view firsthand. There we are. Alright, so that was the end of our beautiful helicopter ride over Hawaii. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and here we are landing now. It was a great experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing firsthand what happened, the aftermath of the volcano, and just the ocean and everything that we saw in Hawaii. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.